Moiboo Workshop Software. How to access and use the appointment calendar. This guide explains how to view, manage, and track workshop service bookings using the appointment calendar, appointments reminder in Moiboo Workshop Software. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Navigate to the appointment dashboard. Log in to your Moiboo Workshop Management System dashboard. In the top navigation bar, hover over or click on the Dashboard menu. Select Appointment Dashboard from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Choose your calendar view. Use the view toggles located at the top right of the calendar interface to switch display formats. Day. View scheduled repair slots for the selected day in detail. Week. Get an overview of all vehicle bookings across the current week, month. View the full calendar month to manage long-term workload and schedule capacity. List. Display appointments in a sequential list view for easy scanning. Step 3. Navigate dates and track scheduled repairs. Date navigation. Use the less than and greater than arrow buttons to jump between months or weeks, or click Today to return to the current date immediately. View appointments. Scheduled repair jobs, vehicle registration numbers, or appointment types will appear as colored blocks on their respective date slots. Appointment details. Click on any specific appointment block on the calendar to open its details, view customer information, or convert the appointment into a job card, vehicle check-in.